Some residential spaces come with amenities most can only dream of, so it's not surprising that these apartments often come with a hefty price tag. Today, we're looking at the 7 most expensive and luxurious apartments in New York City. Number 7. Four Seasons 78th Floor Penthouse. This 5-bedroom, 5.5-bath located on the 78th floor of the 82-story building covers approximately 6,127 square feet of interior space. This property is currently marketed as an off-market listing for $40 million. The living room features a gas-burning fireplace clad in marble that reaches the 12-foot ceiling. There's also a landscape terrace with views from the Empire State Building to Midtown. The home is anchored by a staircase, but also comes with a private internal elevator. If all this wasn't enough, the property also includes the hotel services as well as a doorman, private residence lounge, a gym with a yoga room, a screening room, and use of the hotel's 75-foot pool with natural light. Number 6. 520 West 28th Street. The 11-story 520 West 28th houses 39 residences. Each of the 39 luxury condos bears its own unique number to reflect the limited edition nature of these works of art. With 11-foot coffered ceilings, tailored interiors, located directly on the High Line in the heart of West Chelsea, New York City's premier arts and cultural district. Designed by Pritzker Prize-winning architect Zaha Hadid. Residents will have access to the first private IMAX, which will offer exclusive content and serve as a bookable space for the building community. The amenities include a generous 75-foot skylit pool within a wellness floor, which incorporates a full gym, reservable spa suite offering a hot tub, rain showers, treatment beds, sauna, and steam room. This apartment will set you back $55 million, but it's a price tag well worth it. Keep watching to see which apartment is the most luxurious in NYC. Number 5. 53 West 53rd, Penthouse 76. For a whopping $60 million, you can acquire this duplex having 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and covering an interior space of 6,448 square feet. The elegant, refined interior spaces at 53 West 53rd are designed by noted architect Thierry Despont, situated just moments from Fifth Avenue and a few blocks from Central Park. The amenities include 15,000 square foot wellness center, 65-foot lap pool, cold plunge with poolside vertical gardens, sauna and steam rooms, massage treatment room, library with fireplace, children's playroom, and double-height lounge with private dining room overlooking Central Park. Number 4. Madison Square Park Tower, offering epic 360-degree views from the tallest residential address overlooking Madison Square Park. Residences elevated up to 777 feet in the sky. Corner exposures, custom-stained floors, and 10-foot-tall floor-to-ceiling glass walls. The chamfered floor-to-ceiling glass walls offer a dramatic cityscape that includes the Empire State Building, World Trade Center, the Hudson, and East Rivers. This apartment isn't just about the views. New York looks different from here. This grand condo cost you $77.7 million. The collection of amenities consists of a fitness center with boxing and private training suite, golf simulator, basketball court, children's playroom, library, terrace with outdoor grill, and 2 gracious entertaining spaces including the upper club on the 54th floor. Before we move on to the next apartment, if you're interested in touring some of the most expensive yachts in the world, then be sure to check out our video on the 7 most expensive yachts in the world, right after this video. Number 3. The Pinnacle Penthouse. The Woolworth Building was first completed in 1913, and it was the tallest building in the world until 1929. This skyscraper is one among many adorning the New York City skyline, which was brilliantly imagined by the world-renowned French architect Thierry Despont, who's also done homes of Bill Gates and Calvin Klein. The top 30 floors have been masterfully transformed into Woolworth Tower residences. a limited edition collection of 32 luxury condominium residences. The property boasts over 9,680 square feet of interior space and a private 408 square foot observatory terrace. This outstanding $79 million apartment stretches 5 floors, which is grandly called the Pinnacle. Here, we have 22-foot elevated ceilings, in-residence private elevator, solid oak herringbone pattern flooring, and more than 125 windows, some oversized for open views to Hudson and East Rivers. Of course, convenience isn't the only thing you looked for in buying a penthouse. You want a luxury and a status symbol, both of which this apartment promises. Everything you touch, see, and walk on is a luxury brand. Number 2. Penthouse at 432 Park. There has never been anything quite like this residence. 432 Park Avenue has a total of 96 floors, and this 96th floor penthouse has never been on the market before. With an asking price of $169 million, it has set a record with its $20,500 per square foot price tag. The 96th floor unit is currently owned by billionaire Fawaz Al-Hokir, Saudi real estate developer. The entire floor is just under 8,300 square feet and has 6 bedrooms and 7 baths. Throughout the floor, there are 24 10-inch by 10-inch windows soaring 12.5-inch ceilings. The Great Room is just one of the rooms that offers 360-degree views of Manhattan, including those overlooking Central Park. It features a wood-burning fireplace and a formal dining room. The building's amenities include a private restaurant and lounge, 75-foot indoor pool, state-of-the-art fitness center, yoga studio, sauna, steam room and massage room, outdoor terrace, screening room, library, children's playroom, room service, on-site parking, office suites, private storage, and a full building staff. Coming at number 1, we present you the most expensive and luxurious apartment in New York City. If you enjoyed the video, then make sure to hit the like button. Number 1, 220 Central Park House South. This apartment will set you back $200 million, but it's a price tag well worth it. 220 Central Park South is a residential condominium skyscraper in Midtown Manhattan, situated directly on Central Park, located between Columbus Circle and 7th Avenue. The location alone is a good enough reason to snap up this property. It is designed by Robert Stern Architects, and with interiors by Thierry Despont. 220 Central Park South is one of the very few buildings that will allow residents with full access to full expansive views of the south to north length of Central Park. The building also has an 82-foot-long saltwater swimming pool, private dining rooms, an athletic club, a juice bar, library, basketball court, a golf simulator, and children's play area. Where do you think you're going to move to next? Let us know in the comments section below. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon to be notified when we upload a new video.